students. Now till the morula, we have been known that after fertilization, zygote divided, started its cleavage, and after cleavage, morula has been formed. What was morula? Morula was the simply 8 to 16 celled stage of the blastomere. Now, after this morula formation, the changes will continue. In this morula, there will be continuation of division. So morula continues its division, and by this continuation of division, it transforms to morula continuous division, and then it transforms into the blastocyst. The name suggests itself, cyst, a boundary or protective layer, has been made around the morula, and that is why it is now known as the blastocyst, and cleavage has been continued in the morula also. So now after the formation of this blastocyst, its movement takes place up to the uterus. Now earlier I told you, along with the cleavage, the movement of the structure will take place up to the uterus. So along with their movement to uterus. So they are moving to the uterus, they are doing cleavage there, they are continuously changing their shape or format, but still morula has been made. Zygote, morula, and then after the structure made is called blastula. Zygote, morula, blastula, gastrula, and then embryo. But we don't have such sequential study of this embryonic development, so we will carry up to our the NCERT mentioned points. Now, the blastocyst has been made, and after this stage, the blastomere is made. And now, what is their blastomere? Blastomere in the blastocyst, the structures present there are blastomere. So blastomere in the blastocyst will be arranged there into outer layer, that is trophoplast. Arranged there with outer layer. That specific outer layer is called trophoblast. Now, the trophoblast will have the specific function here. Outer layer has been made here, trophoblast. Along with that, the arrangement of the cell, what will be there? That is, outer layer was trophoblast made, and inner cell mass is made. Two structures are made after the formation of blastocyst. When the morula continued its division, it transforms into the blastocyst, outer layer or membrane. Now the modification is going on, and the along with its movement to the uterus. Now modification will take place, and there the blastomere of the blastocyst are getting rearranged. Now what arrangement is there? Their arrangement makes two distinct layers. First one, the outer trophoblast layer, and the second one will be the inner cell mass. Now, these layers will perform some active workings and get differentiated into the embryo. So, by this 1 and 2, now the structure gets differentiated into the embryo. How they are getting differentiated and becoming an embryo, and how the implantation will take place there, we will see it later on.